International cargo transportation disputes. The equipment purchased from overseas is damaged during transportation. How should we handle disputes? A Chinese manufacturing company purchased a batch of high-precision equipment from Germany and shipped it to China by sea. When the equipment arrived, it was found that some of the equipment was severely damaged due to bad weather and improper loading and unloading operations, and the company faced huge financial losses. In order to recover the losses, the company decided to file a claim. To solve this problem, the key steps are summarized as follows. 1. Check the insurance and contract terms. Confirm whether the full marine insurance is insured and sort out the compensation liability and claim process accordingly. 2. Record the damaged equipment in detail, take photos and videos, keep the shipping packaging and markings, and ask a professional organization to evaluate. 3. Notify the relevant parties. Notify the carrier and insurance company in a timely manner. 4. Submit claim materials. Prepare comprehensive claim materials, such as damage records, shipping documents, insurance documents, and other documents. 5. Negotiate and resolve. Maintain communication with the carrier and insurance company to ensure that the claim materials are complete and supplement additional information in a timely manner. 6. Initiate legal proceedings. Resolve disputes through legal means when necessary, and choose arbitration or litigation according to the dispute resolution clause in the contract. Follow lawyer Fan Zhang to elevate your business to global success.